Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Sallallahu ala Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Today in this video we will discuss about a lovely behavior of Huzur Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam. A German doctor was there. He told that I have accepted Islam by reading just one hadith of Huzur Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He had been for many years studying about different religion, but when he started studying Huzur Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the first hadith he got in his computer, just the first hadith he have studied and he have accepted Islam. So many people asked about what that hadith was. He told that I have studied that once a Sahabi lost his child, a small child of 2-3 years maybe. So he lost his child, and for 2 days he did not find his child, where his child has gone. So after going many places, he has searched his child, still then he cannot find his child. At last, after 2 days, he came to Huzur Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In his majlis, there were many Sahaba sitting and Huzur was discussing something with them. At that time, that Sahabi came and asked or told Huzur Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam that Huzur, Ya Rasulallah, Ya Habiballah, I am not able to find my child. Today is the second day he has been lost and I cannot find him today also. For 2 days we did not eat, his mother also and me also, we did not eat anything. His mother is continuously crying. We are very afraid that something might happen to him. He asked Huzur Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam to pray, to make dua, so that he find his child. Just the word he has uttered, one of the Sahabi sitting in the majlis in the near Huzur Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that Sahabi said, Huzur, I know his son. Today while coming here, I saw his son was playing in certain playground with so and so playground with many children. I saw him that his son was also there playing. Here he asked Huzur Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam to make dua, and before Huzur's making dua only, Allah has accepted Huzur's dua and he got the news about his child. Just listening to that Sahabi telling that he was playing in so and so garden, the Sahabi has started running. Huzur Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam, stop him. That one of the Sahabi has ran after him and asked him to stop, that Huzur is telling you to stop, come back. Huzur Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam, after he came back, has said, why you ran away? You did not listen to me. I want to say you something. He said that, Huzur, you know that I am the father of the son. I have not seen my son for last 2 days, and you know what is my condition. His mother has left eating. She has been continuously crying for these 2 days. You know what is our condition. Huzur said that I know what is your condition of your heart, what is the condition of your mind. That is why I have called you back. When you go there, you don't call your child son, my dear son. You don't call him like that. You call him by his name. At this he asks, Huzur, what is the fault if I call him by his name, call him my son, because he is my son only. What is wrong on that? Huzur said him that where he is playing with many kids, there may be someone who is an orphan, who has no father, who has no mother, or maybe who has no father or mother. So when you have been not seeing your son for 2 days, so when you will meet your son, your expression of love will be little bit different. So when you will go and call him my son, when you will meet your son, that word you utter will be totally different. It will be of a great love towards your son. And there may be someone who is an orphan, which your word may remind him about his father. It may hurt his heart, and it may think that if my father also were alive, then he would have thought about me, he would have loved me in the same way. So you call your son by his name hold his hand, take him home. Then you make at home, you love your son as much as you want. The Sahabi said, Huzur Akram Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, okay, I will do so, and he went. And the doctor, the German doctor who was studying this story, he told that such asas, such feeling is in the heart of Huzur Akram Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So with such feeling, a man cannot be anyone else but the real prophet of Allah. So he accepted Islam.